Welcome to Falmouth, Jamaica, a vibrant coastal town bursting with history, culture, and adventure. Whether you're here for the stunning beaches, rich colonial heritage, or unforgettable local experiences, Falmouth has something for everyone. In this video, we're counting down the 7 best things to do in Falmouth, Jamaica, from exploring historic landmarks to soaking up the island's natural beauty. So get ready to discover what makes this charming destination a must-visit in the Caribbean. Let's dive in. Number 7. Discover the historic Falmouth Cruise Port, one of Jamaica's most vibrant and culturally rich destinations. If your cruise stops here, get ready for a perfect mix of history, shopping, and authentic Jamaican experiences. Located on Jamaica's northern coast, Falmouth was once a thriving Georgian-era town, known for its sugar trade and stunning architecture. Today, the cruise port offers a seamless blend of the past and present, with well-preserved historic buildings standing alongside modern shops, restaurants, and cultural attractions. Step off the ship and explore the bustling marketplace, where you'll find handcrafted souvenirs, vibrant Jamaican artwork, and delicious local treats. Looking for a taste of Jamaica? Try authentic jerk chicken, fresh tropical fruits, or a refreshing coconut water straight from the source. For history lovers, a walking tour of Falmouth's cobblestone streets reveals fascinating landmarks like the 18th century St. Peter's Anglican Church and the beautifully restored town square. Hop on a horse-drawn carriage to soak in the town's charm while learning about its rich heritage. And if you're ready for adventure, the port is the perfect gateway to thrilling excursions. Swim in the luminous waters of the famous Glistening Waters Lagoon, climb the breathtaking Dunn's River Falls, or relax on the pristine beaches of Montego Bay. Whether you're here for history, shopping, or adventure, Falmouth Cruise Port is a destination that truly has something for everyone. So get ready to explore, experience, and make unforgettable memories. Number 6. Experience windsurfing at Burwood Beach, a hidden gem in Falmouth, Jamaica, where adventure meets paradise. If you're looking for an exhilarating way to enjoy the Caribbean waters, windsurfing at Burwood Beach is an experience you won't want to miss. With steady trade winds and calm, crystal-clear waters, Burwood Beach is the perfect spot for both beginners and experienced windsurfers. Whether you're looking to try windsurfing for the first time or master your skills, this beach provides ideal conditions for an unforgettable ride. If you're new to the sport, no worries. Local instructors offer lessons to help you get started. You'll learn the basics of balancing, catching the wind, and gliding across the waves in no time. Feel the thrill as the warm Caribbean breeze propels you across the water. And when you're done, relax on the soft sand, grab a cold drink, and soak in the breathtaking views of the Jamaican coastline. So, are you ready to take on the wind and waves? Come experience windsurfing at Burwood Beach, an adventure you'll never forget. Number 5. Martha Brae River Rafting Tour. From Falmouth, if you're in Falmouth and looking for a relaxing yet unforgettable adventure, the Martha Brae River Rafting Tour is the perfect escape into Jamaica's natural beauty. Just a short drive from Falmouth, you'll arrive at the Martha Brae River, where expert raft captains are ready to take you on a peaceful journey down this stunning waterway. These handcrafted rafts are designed for 2 passengers and are steered by an experienced guide using a long bamboo pole. As you float along, you'll be surrounded by lush greenery, tropical birds, and the gentle sounds of nature. Along the way, your guide will share fascinating stories about Jamaica's history, culture, and legends of the river. You can even stop to dip your feet in the cool water or try your hand at steering the raft. A Martha Brae River rafting tour is the perfect way to unwind and soak in the natural beauty of Jamaica. Don't miss this peaceful and unforgettable experience during your visit to Falmouth. Number 4. Explore secret falls hidden in the rainforest gorge of Ocho Rios Hills. Hidden deep within the rainforest of Ocho Rios lies a breathtaking secret, an untouched paradise of cascading waterfalls, natural pools, and pure adventure. Welcome to Secret Falls, one of Jamaica's best-kept treasures. To reach this hidden gem, you'll take a scenic hike through tropical jungle trails, where you'll be surrounded by exotic flora and the sounds of nature. But trust me, the reward at the end is worth every step. The moment you arrive, you'll be greeted by the sight of crystal clear blue waters flowing through limestone formations. It's the perfect place to swim, jump from rocky ledges, or just relax under the cascading falls. Whether you're looking for adventure or relaxation, Secret Falls is the perfect escape. This hidden paradise offers the true essence of Jamaica: natural beauty, thrilling fun, and an unforgettable experience. Make sure to add Secret Falls to your Ocho Rios adventure list. Trust me, this is one hidden treasure you won't want to miss. Number 3. Half-day trip to Dunn's River Falls from Falmouth. If you're visiting Falmouth and looking for an unforgettable adventure, a half-day trip to Dunn's River Falls is an absolute must. The journey begins with a comfortable drive along Jamaica's picturesque north coast. As you travel, you'll pass through charming seaside villages and lush tropical landscapes, all while learning about the island's rich history and vibrant culture from your guide. And here it is, Dunn's River Falls, one of the most famous waterfalls in the Caribbean. This 600-foot natural wonder is known for its unique terraced rock formations and crystal-clear waters. Get ready for the ultimate adventure. Led by experienced guides, you'll make your way up the cascading falls, stepping over smooth rocks and wading through refreshing natural pools. Don't forget your water shoes. These rocks can be slippery. If climbing isn't your thing, no worries. You can take in the beauty from the viewing platforms, relax on the sandy beach below, or explore the tropical gardens surrounding the falls. After an incredible experience, it's time to head back to Falmouth, bringing with you amazing memories of one of Jamaica's most breathtaking attractions. Don't miss this half-day adventure to Dunn's River Falls. Number 2. Good Hope Estate. A breathtaking 18th century plantation nestled in the heart of Jamaica's countryside. If you're looking for history, adventure, and relaxation all in one place, this is the perfect destination. Originally built in the 1700s, Good Hope Estate was once a thriving sugar plantation. Today, it stands as a beautifully preserved piece of Jamaica's colonial history, offering visitors a glimpse into the past. Wander through the historic Great House, where antique furnishings and stunning views transport you back in time. But Good Hope isn't just about history. It's also an adventure lover's paradise. Fly through the treetops on a thrilling zip line, hop on an ATV for an off-road adventure, or take a refreshing dip in the estate's natural river pools. Want to unwind? Enjoy an exclusive Appleton rum tasting or simply relax with a fresh coconut in the tropical gardens. History, adventure, and relaxation. Good Hope Estate has it all. Make sure to add this hidden gem to your Jamaican itinerary. Number 1. Rose Hall Great House. The legendary Rose Hall Great House. This grand estate is not only known for its stunning Georgian architecture and breathtaking views, but also for the chilling tales that echo through its halls. Built in the 18th century, Rose Hall was once the home of the infamous White Witch of Jamaica, Annie Palmer. According to legend, she ruled the estate with cruelty and practiced dark magic. It's said that the spirits of those who met their end at her hands still roam these halls today. Step inside and feel history come alive. The interior is beautifully restored, showcasing antique furniture, candlelit corridors, and eerie artifacts. If you're feeling brave, take the nighttime ghost tour. It's a spine-tingling experience you won't forget. Whether you're here for the history, the haunted tales, or simply to admire the beauty of this grand mansion, Rose Hall Great House is a must-visit in Montego Bay. Are you ready to uncover its secrets?